Uh,
Yeah. Okay. So now once you have created, press save.
hmm. Save is here.
Here you
Here,
have,
ma'am.
yes,
Save. Okay. I have saved it.
yes.
What is the request
One
here?
second. Click on new. Here you have one notepad type symbol, right? Hello.
No, here, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Here.
Not in
In
the
this.
header. In this particular dialog box, you have one notepad type symbol, right? Next
Yeah,
to
here.
tick mark. Yeah, click on that.
Three. Okay. I have clicked it.
Yeah, in the description, you specify user request. You can give any description.
Like
User request.
example, it is.
You are a user, right? So use
Yeah.
specify user request.
User request. Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
and press enter.
Okay.
Okay, click on that tick mark.
What is it? What is the meaning of this one, ma'am?
So
What you have done now?
see, actually, you are a new user, right? So usually this
Yeah.
will be prompted only once. That is for the new user. There has whatever
Okay.
you create, it has to get saved somewhere, right? So
Hmm.
this is a transport request wherein whatever you create or save, that will be saving in some place, and this ID whatever you are getting, no,
Yeah.
EH6K, so it is a series which give you the transport ID or the saving ID.
Okay. You actually your voice is also breaking in between.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a transport ID. You need
Oh,
not worry about that. This will be like only one time you will be facing this. Okay, click
okay.
on
Transport
OK.
ID. Click on OK.
Yes. So now you have created the company ASH. Okay, save it, and
Again save.
yeah, and then click on this. You can just come out.
I'm not able to hear you.
You can just come out. You have a tick mark.
Hello.
You have a tick mark in the left corner, right?
Yeah, left corner. Yes, ma'am. Here.
Yeah, click on that tick mark.
I have clicked it.
Click on the tick
Not.
mark. Close this.
Yeah. Okay.
Click on the tick mark. Left
No
corner
tick mark is
below
not there.
table.
That time it was there. Now it is not there.
See, below table, you have a
Huh?
file menu, right? Where do you find the
Yeah.
menu? Above
Here,
that?
na.
Above that? Yeah,
Okay.
left, go left.
So this one.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. It
Okay.
is
So
top
when
left.
I refer to tick mark, you should be referring to the left corner.
Okay.
Okay.
Left hand tick mark. Okay.
And then click on the left arrow mark.
Left arrow mark. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can see that
What
your
all these things? Huh?
These are the other company codes which have been created by other users.
Okay, number of different type of companies which are created by other users.
Yes.
Okay.
For example, there are other students also who will be learning, right? So for learning
Yes, ma'am.
purpose, they may create more than one company also. For example, now you have created with ASH. Okay, after
Yeah.
a few days, you will feel that I have forgotten how to create the enterprise structure. So you will again go and create one more enterprise structure. So like that, there are many users who have created the enterprise structure here.
Okay.
Okay. So yours is ASH.
Hmm.
Okay. Click on back.
Click on
Back. Left arrow mark.
this one. Okay.
Left arrow mark.
Left arrow mark. Okay.
Yes.
It is a arrow mark to come back for the main menu, like
To
previous
move
one.
back to the previous screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That yellow color button beside that left arrow mark itself. Yes.
This one.
So this is to go to the home screen.
Direct screen. Huh?
See, back means it will just take you to the previous screen. Okay. If you click on yellow, it will take you to the home screen.
Oh, this is the home screen.
Yes. So this is the
Okay.
home screen. Okay. Now
Okay.
again go to SPRO. We will create the company code.
Now SPRO.
IMG.
Okay. Reference.
What is the
In
company code you
the
want to have?
company code A1.
You can have 4-character alphanumeric name.
Okay. 4 character. In this.
Enterprise structure. Click on
Yeah.
enterprise structure.
Yes, ma'am. Enterprise structure.
Then go to definition.
Definition. Next is
Financial
financial
account.
accounting, and next is edit delete this one.
Yes.
And here I have to
Copy,
click here.
delete, check company code.
Okay, that I have clicked, ma'am.
Now click on that copy button. It is below the G. Yes. Right below G of
Below the
organizational.
G.
G.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the copy
Copy.
object. Okay.
Yeah.
So once you get that,
Hmm.
you need
Now I
to
had
specify
to
from company code as 1000. 1000 is the standard company code. Okay. And then
1000.
in place of 2 company code, give your own company code name.
Okay. From company code is 1000.
Yeah.
Company code.
Maybe
Standard.
ASC1.
Yeah. Here I had to give 2 company code to
2 company code will be your company code name.
ASHU 1 or 4 digit only.
Yeah, 4-character. You can
Okay.
say ASC1.
ASC1.
Yes.
Better.
So C stands for company.
Company.
Yeah.
Code. Then okay.
Yes.
Then right click, madam.
Yeah, click on that.
And do you want to GL account company code?
Keep pressing yes and
Yes.
enter. You can press enter or click on yes.
Okay.
Currency, it is INR.
Currency is INR.
INR. Click
Yeah.
OK. Click
So
OK.
then that is not copied.
Yeah,
Not
that is fine, not a problem. Click OK. OK. OK.
Do you want to transport number
Yes.
range?
Yes.
What it mean?
See, for everything, there will be a number associated to save. Okay. So
Hmm.
we won't be, we will be using the number range to save that. Just like when you save a Word document, you give a name, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, similarly, when you are saving any document, it will ask for the either, I'll explain you gradually what that number range is. But as of
Okay.
now, you just understand that the number range is for saving purpose. That's it.
Okay.
Or creation of new things.
Yes. Okay.
So there you can see that now it is 37% of tables copied, 50, 67,
Yeah.
69, right? So the tables are getting copied from 1000.
Okay. Form 1000. Okay. Okay. Now the
Press
computer
OK.
of authentic.
Press OK. Keep
Now it is
pressing.
yes, na?
Yeah. Keep pressing enter key.
Okay.
Lot of users will be making some changes, no? That is why
Yes, ma'am.
this message keep repeating, because they
Oh,
have
okay.
done some modification to the standard. That's why. Enter.
Okay.
Instead of
Yeah.
mouse,
Now.
yes. So click
Okay. Enter.
OK.
Enter button is better, na?
Huh.
Enter.
Yeah, enter button.
Now it is okay.
1 second. Press enter. Enter.
There is overlap something.
Okay. Now you just click on close. Yes.
Close. Okay.
Okay. Click on copy. Keep pressing enter key.
Entering.
Yeah, keep pressing enter key.
It many times it's trying, na?
Huh. What is the company code you want to have?
Company code is already done, na?
Sorry,
ASHC
plant.
plant C11 C11
Yeah. Now you just click on close.
close.
Okay. Yes. Keep pressing OK. Press OK.
I'm doing, ma'am.
This is the only thing which takes time.
Yes, ma'am. It is created.
So if you go to that completed activities tab, you'll find that the company code has been created. Okay, company code 1000 copied to ASC1.
One.
Okay, so
Yes,
now
ma'am.
go back. What we have to do once you have defined,
Okay.
we need to assign this company code to your company, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So go back,
Go back to main menu.
back, not main menu. Okay. Close this. Close.
Here.
Yeah. Now click on financial accounting.
Financial accounting. Yeah, it's
Yes.
there.
Click on that. Collapse that tree.
Okay, 1 second. I'll go back.
You need not go back. See, you just need to click on that down arrow mark. Yes, click on that.
Okay.
Again, click beside definition. Yes, now click on
Okay.
assignment. Assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So again, go to financial accounting.
Assignment, financial accounting.
Assign company code to company.
Assign company code to company.
Why you are feeling sleepy, Ashwath?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now click on position.
Click on position, huh?
Yes.
Position, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Enter your company code. It is
Enter
ASC1, right?
company ASC1.
Yes. Enter.
Yeah.
Press
Yes, ma'am.
enter.
Enter.
Yes. So now you have ASC1, right? So beside
ASC1.
that, you give your company, that is ASH.
ASH.
Yeah. Press enter.
Okay. I
So,
entered.
so this is how you assign your company code to the company. That is, you are creating the link between company and company code. Okay, so
Okay.
this is how you can determine that to which company does your company code belong.
Okay. Like assignment, function, counting. Okay.
Okay, first you define it and then you assign it to the respective organizational object. Okay,
Objects. Okay.
save.
Yeah.
Save it.
Save. Save it. Okay.
Click OK.
It's done, ma'am.
Okay, now go back to previous screen.
Okay.
Collapse this assignment and click on definition.
Okay.
Financial account, sorry, logistic general.
Logistic general.
Yes.
To create the plant, na? Logistic general. Here,
You have
define,
to define.
copy, edit, plant.
Exactly. Click on that.
Yeah. Here,
Okay.
define plant.
So now what? Don't click on define plant.
On it.
Back. Okay.
Okay.
Select on. See what happens is if you click on
Hmm.
define plant, it will be asking for the parameters. Okay, wherein you'll give the
Hmm.
name, its address.
Hmm.
Okay. Double click on
Hmm.
define plant.
Double click on define.
Yeah.
Okay.
Click on new entries.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on new entries.
Click on new entries. Yeah. Now define plant.
Yeah, give one plant name.
C11.
This is also 4-digit alpha, 4-character alphanumeric.
Minimum 4 required.
Minimum, maximum. It should be 4
Okay.
character.
It should be 4 character always.
Yes. Maybe ASP1. Yeah, AC11 is
Yeah.
also fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
AC11.
Yeah. Give name of your company.
Name of a company or a plant, madam?
Plant, sorry, plant.
4-digit required.
No, that is a description.
Okay. There is no issue. Okay.
There's no limitation.
Yeah. Okay.
Why you are giving ACP1? Your
It is
it is a
A
description.
for a company. Plant I can write directly, na?
Yes, you can
But
say
it is,
your company's plant.
okay. ACPN is okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it is fine.
Yeah.
But it should be a description. Like for example, this is a manufacturing plant, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
ACP1 is also fine.
But
Here,
let's do it. AP AP education. Okay, na?
yes.
Now it is okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
It should
give
be,
this.
ma'am. Yeah. And name 1, name 2 should be same or a different one.
It can be different.
Okay. Then how it will come to know, like name 1, name 2,
That is
height they are given to
associated
you.
with the plant, right? So those
Yeah.
are the fields which are associated with the plant. So it is
Oh,
just for the search criteria.
okay.
Okay, give city code.
City code. Country code. Country
Count.
code.
It is not country, it is county. So in India,
County. What
we
is
don't have
county, ma'am?
any. In India, we don't have anything as such called as county. So you can just leave that. And even we don't have the city code. You just go to factory calendar.
Okay.
Click on that. Click on Okay, so here you
Okay.
can use factory calendar B1. Go up.
B1.
B1. B.
Factory calendar. Yeah. I
Yes.
got it.
Okay. Click OK. See,
I have done.
actually, it should be asking for the language key also.
Okay.
Okay. But somehow they have done some settings here, so language key is not getting used. But in general, whenever you are creating a plant, it should be asking for the language key. Press enter.
Okay. And entry already exists. Same key.
So try to do it ACP1.
Oh, someone has done that
Yes.
one.
Someone has already created the plant by that name.
No, this also the ACP one also someone has done.
Try to change, just keep changing until you get that.
AP one.
Press enter.
CP11. CP.
Just press enter and see if it exists,
Yeah,
then
it exists.
yeah. So CP11 is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So your plant is CP11.
CP1 plant. Okay.
Save.
Save. What I have to give here? Like address of a company,
Yes.
plant,
Exactly.
title is same, CP11.
Yes. No. Yeah. Next. See here, you can specify that it is whether it is a company, or you can select Mr. MS. So it is just the naming title what you give, what you want it to precede before the name.
Okay.
Give the name.
Mr. Okay. Oh, only Mr. and that will come here. Okay.
Yes. Or
Like
you can select
company, Mr.
company.
Company. Okay.
Yeah.
Company AP11.
Give name.
ACP1.
Not that name. It is description. Okay.
Okay.
For
Okay. Okay. I
example.
got it.
Hmm.
Education. It's okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
And you can
And
specify
here.
the address. Here mandatory field is country. So you can mention the country name.
And okay. Here, anything is
No,
required?
no need.
No. Only country is mandatory.
Yes.
Okay. If I move to next screen, then I want to edit in the previous one. Then what to do?
So again, what you'll have to do is go to that enterprise structure. Again, definition, logistic general. You have the edit option, right? So there,
Can we do, ma'am, now?
uh,
I want to edit the country or like company code
why you want to edit the company code?
to learn.
See, company code, it is not our part. Okay, that is why
Okay.
company and company code creation, it doesn't come for the person at all.
Okay.
So don't get bothered with the company and company code. It is once created, then you can just leave it.
Okay.
We will
Okay.
be concerned from plant level onwards.
Plant level. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, press
Yeah.
enter.
Yes, ma'am. Press enter again.
Yes. So now your CP11 plant has been created, right? Now that plant has to
Yeah.
get assigned to the company code. Is
Yeah.
it? So this plant has to
Yes, ma'am.
belong to some company code. So we do the company
Hmm.
code and plant assignment.
Okay.
Okay, go back.
Go back. Okay.
Yeah. And then get into assignment.
Definition. Now we have to
Now
go for assignment,
assignment.
na?
Yes.
One second. Enterprise structure.
So when defining plant, you had gone to logistic general, right?
Yeah.
So now also, instead of definition, now you are into assignment. So under assignment, you need to go to logistic general.
Assignment under in this one.
Under assignment, we have logistics
Logistics
general.
general, yes ma'am.
Yes. So there you have assign plant to company code.
Assign plan to complete code, yes ma'am.
Yeah,
Here
click
on.
on that.
Okay, now
Oh,
new entry.
1 second. Click on position.
Click on position.
Yeah,
Plant.
yeah, enter CP11.
Okay.
Okay, do one thing. You search for your company code ASC1. If you just keep scrolling down,
Hmm.
you'll find ASC1.
Like there is no option like searching ma'am directly.
Only we have option for plant.
Not for company code.
No, he in this screen you can't directly search for company code.
Okay. Now I have to search ASCP1.
Or else click on position. Click on position. Enter 1000. Press
Okay.
enter. Okay, now you search if you have a ASC1 here down.
1 second.
Under
It's
1000.
under 1000 only it should be there.
Okay, it's not there. Now click on new entries.
Before ma'am, okay.
Okay, enter your company code, that is ASC1.
ASC1.
Yes. And then plant CP11.
Plant name I have to click. Before point I have to
PLNT.
click.
Under PLNT, it is a shortcut used there. Okay,
Okay.
use CP11 there.
CP11. Yes ma'am.
Yeah. Press enter.
1 second. Yeah. Country of the plant differ from country of company code.
Press OK. You
Okay.
gave IN itself, right?
Yeah.
Then why is it giving that it is different?
No. Or otherwise we have not given anything. But we have given for
No, for plant we have given, for company we have copied from the standard, right? So that is the reason.
yeah.
Okay, never mind. Save it.
Okay.
Save. Okay.
Yeah, saved it.
Yeah, press enter.
I entered.
Yeah, go back.
Go back.
Now
Go back.
click on
Main menu.
position. Click on position.
Okay.
Enter your plant.
No. CP1.
Yes.
CP11.
Hmm.
Plant.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Click OK.
Yes, ma'am. Here it is
Now
there.
it is
CP11.
listing, right? That is your
Huh?
company code ASC1 is assigned or linked with plant CP11.
CP11.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how we create the plant and assign it to the company code.
Okay.
Okay. So now next, what is the next level?
Next is storage location.
Yes, exactly. So now go back.
One second.
Okay.
Definition. Okay. Your definition. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then click on material management. Material management.
Yes, ma'am. Material management, and here material location, purchasing
You have
storage location.
maintain storage location.
Yeah,
Yeah, click on that.
maintains to. Here plant is
Here you need to specify the plant name under which you need to create the store location.
CP11.
Yes.
Created.
Okay. Now what you do
New
is
entry.
click on new entry.
Okay. New entry.
One second, one
Okay.
second. Go back. Back.
Yeah.
So here beside new entry, you have copy option there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So click on that.
I have clicked it.
Okay. Click on new entries.
Why we have copied, ma'am? We have clicked to the copy option.
No, actually, since we have copied from 1000, it should be displaying all the store locations.
Okay, it's not showing.
No. Do one thing. You just come out. I mean, stop sharing. I'll pause the recording as of now. Okay, let me check with that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but you have understood how to create, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Again, go back. Maybe we stopped during that store location creation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go back. Click on back.
Go back. Okay.
Now type EC01.
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 Enter. 1. EC01. Okay.
See,
Code of what?
your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Yes, tell me, Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am. I am not able to hear only.
Yeah, your voice was breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, once this EC01 is the transaction code which is used to view the organization structure.
Okay.
Okay.
EC01.
Yes. So now you have created your organization structure, right? We will see how it looks like. Click on structure. Click on
where to click?
structure.
Hello. Where to click, ma'am?
Structure.
Structure.
Yes.
Okay. Click on structure. I have clicked
Yes.
it. Okay.
Next, you will get navigation. Click on navigation once you get the next screen. Yes.
Navigation. Yeah. I
Yeah.
have clicked it. Okay.
Yeah. Click OK.
It's in process.
Yeah, it is still processing.
Yeah. Something came now.
So now,
SAP organization structure.
yes. So here you'll find the list of all company codes. Okay. Click on that
Okay.
magnifying glass or click
Okay.
on click on this.
Click.
Here you have what you call Durbin, no?
Choose.
Durbin,
Yeah.
Durbin. Yeah. Next to
Here
the,
only. I have clicked.
no, not there. Click on these, go top. You have that find, just like we were positioning, right?
Yeah, yeah. This one. Position
Yes.
Durbin.
Left, yes, yes.
Find. You want
Yeah.
find.
Yes, find it. Find for
Okay. Here.
ASH.
ASH. This is the company.
Yes, ASH is your company, right? So find it.
Now.
Find.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have ASH there. Double click on ASH.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So place your mouse on ASH. Select it.
Okay.
Double click there.
Okay.
So see, this is your organization structure. You had given ASH itself, right?
Yeah. ASH only, but different name came, na?
Yes.
ASP1. Why so? Is it wrong?
Yeah, this is wrong because
Yeah, it's wrong only.
this is not your
This is not my, not my organization structure.
back.
That
What was the name you gave
for what?
for company?
Name of
Company.
ASH. ASH.
ASH itself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Scroll up.
Yeah, it may be upside.
One second. Yeah, click on ASC1. You have ASC1.
ASC.
Yes,
Yeah,
click on that.
ASC1. Yeah.
Yes.
This is the one, no? Ma'am?
Yeah, this
CP1
is
one. Planned, yeah. This one. But ASC1 we have given for
that is the
storage location.
company code, and under the
Company code.
your company is getting listed, that is ASH, and you have CP11 planned. Click on that CP11. You have a plus mark there, right? Yeah. Yes. Click on that. Double click.
Now it came, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have store locations ST01, ST02, and ST03.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So this is how you will see your organization structure.
First T code is ECO one, no?
EC01.
01. Okay.
And from there you need to click on structure. And then you need to click on navigation.
Okay.
And then search with your company code.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now for tomorrow what you have to do is under ASC1 you create one more company code. Okay, maybe CP12. Are you getting?
Again, company code. Yes, I'm writing. Yeah.
Yes. Create one more company code under ASC1.
Okay.
Sorry,
No, wrong. ASH.
one,
ASH.
yes, under ASH, create one more company code, one plant under that,
Plant.
and
Okay. Plant and storage.
store location.
Okay.
Okay. And under ASC1, create one more plant.
In ASC1.
Create one more plant. As of now, we have CP11.
Yeah.
Create one more plant.
CP12. Okay.
Okay. And then add store location to that plant also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is your assignment for tomorrow. At the same time,
Yeah.
I want you to write down the definition of what company is, what company code is. You saw, right? When you are creating the company, you get that explanation, isn't it? So same way
Yes.
you get
Yeah.
explanation for company code, plant, store location. Write down the explanation
Okay.
of all that. Along with that, you try to find out what purchase organization is and what purchase group is.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubts you have for today's class?
1 second.
Okay.
ASH. No, ma'am. It's just navigation, na? So there is
Yes.
no doubt.
So see, while creating a company code, you need to copy it from 1000, and same way when you are creating a plant also, you need to copy it from
We have to copy
1000.
from 1000. 1000 is
Okay.
the main keyword.
Yes. And then when you are creating store location, first you need to delete all the existing store locations, save it, and then again enter into maintain store location, and then enter the new store location name.
That is the problem. Why we have delete. We can't, without delete, we can't align.
See, if you don't delete, what will happen is you already have, how many were deleted at that time? Maybe 150 something, right? Or 200. How many store locations were deleted?
Many.
Many, right?
Not found.
It will be difficult for you to find your store location. Or if you want to search your store location, then it will be very difficult to remember, isn't it?
Yes.
So we delete the store locations which we won't use it.
Oh, okay. You won't use it. So it will not affect others.
No, it won't affect others.
But in other people.
No. See, you have copied and then deleted. You have not deleted from 1000 itself.
Okay. If I delete it from 1000, it will affect all the things.
Yes, it will affect everyone. So don't ever do anything with 1000.
Okay. First copy the 1000, then only do the variation.
Yes.
Okay.
See, that is why we are not directly using 1000 for training purpose, isn't it? We are copying from 1000 and then we are doing modification with our company code or with our plant, not with the standard company code or standard plant.
Okay. And you have told the navigation to create the company code, brand, store, location. And there is the keyword of like T code, no, ma'am? T code for everything.
For creation
Okay.
purpose, we don't use T code. We follow the navigation itself.
Even though it has a T code, no?
Maybe,
Yeah,
but
it
I
has.
have never tried. Maybe
Okay.
for each and everything there are T codes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any doubts you have for today's class?
No, ma'am.
Okay then.
Tomorrow, any morning time or afternoon time, can you take no?
No.
4 hours.
No. See, till
No.
maybe Monday also I may take in the evening itself, because
Okay.
we have my father death anniversary. So Monday I won't be available.
Okay.
So on I
Okay.
can
No
take
issue.
only when I'm back, after that only.
Okay. Saturday, Sunday, there is no class.
No, Saturday, Sunday I have other class.
Okay.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
try to take on Monday. If not Monday, then from Tuesday it will be like full fledged.
Okay.
Okay.
What about tomorrow? Tomorrow we have, no?
Yeah, tomorrow we'll have.
Let's tomorrow like more than 2 hours at least,
No.
because we have a holiday.
Which holiday?
Means Saturday, Sunday you will not take, no? Like that I'm telling.
See, I am telling you, no, for this week you adjust whatever the timing I am taking. From next week, you will be tired of the class and you'll say enough for today.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, please send me the material, na?
Yes, I'll send you.
So
Oh,
that I can study something.
yeah, sure.
Please
Okay
send
then.
me that.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll.
Thank you. And
You
tell
are
me.
following all the instructions, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing by side, and I'm doing this one also.
Okay. So you can, follow this recording and make a note of that. And all these steps are
Yeah.
also
Yeah. Yeah.
present in the study material what I'll be giving you. Okay.
Okay.
So when
Yeah.
I'm asking you to do something by yourself, or I am guiding you, it is
Hmm.
best always that you concentrate on the steps.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. We'll wind up for today and we'll continue
Okay.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. And send me the recording, ma'am. Today's.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Ashwath.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Good night.
Good night.